Hello everyone, let's get directly to today's topic without wasting any time. In this post, I am going to talk about the absolute basics of digital marketing. Yes, the simple basics. Think of this as a starter digital marketing guide that will help you understand the basic concepts and start implementing the right strategies. And if you are an advanced digital marketer, stick around. You may pick up a couple of actionable advice that will expand your digital marketing skills. Okay, what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is nothing but marketing online. It's about promoting your products or services in the digital world and helping you reach out to potential customers over the internet. Before you dismiss digital marketing as a fancy buzzword for a new type of marketing, let me tell you that it has got plenty and plenty of potential. If you are wondering why digital marketing matters, let me ask you a quick question. How many times in a day do you look at your phone or other handheld devices? I bet you are even watching this on your phone. The answer is plenty, and it is difficult to count. That's the reason you need to jump aboard digital marketing. With your target audience spending nearly every minute of their waking hours staring at a device, you have got to reach them where it matters, which is on digital screens. And this is why digital marketing. Okay, now let's take a step back and get a bird's eye view of digital marketing. The topic is so vast that you need to have an idea of what is what, or it's easy to feel lost. There are plenty of platforms, channels, strategies, tools and techniques for digital marketing. Before we get into all that, let's take a look at 8 big categories of digital marketing. Email marketing. The original digital marketing, it all started here. Email marketing is promoting your products or services via email to existing and potential customers. Social media marketing. The idea is the same as email marketing, but you use social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. to reach to your target audience. Search engine optimization. You can check out my previous video that explains all about SEO for beginners. Pay per click. This involves promoting your products or services using paid digital ads on Google and other platforms. Search engine marketing. It's an umbrella term that is used for SEO and PPC. Content marketing. It's all about storytelling. You promote your products using the power of words, blogs, social media posts, tutorials, DIY guides, webinars, videos, etc. comes under content marketing. Affiliate marketing. Using affiliates to promote your products by giving them a percentage of your online sales generated by them. Influencer marketing. Working with social media influencers to promote your products to your target audience. That pretty much sums up the basic types of digital marketing. Now we come to the real question. Where do I start? Over the years, I have worked as a digital marketer. I have learned one thing. In digital marketing, nothing is certain and nothing is permanent. The trends and techniques come and go, and you have got to keep adapting and evolving to stay in the game. The best advice I can give you is start wherever you can. There are no fixed rights and wrongs. What works for one business may not work for another. Here are some actionable tips that can help you get started with digital marketing. Set up a business page for your brand on Facebook. If you don't have one, click here to watch my previous video that gives a simple step-by-step guide on how to promote your business on Facebook for free. Add post on Instagram showcasing your products using high definition photography. Once you get comfortable using social media for your business, you can get started with paid ads. Using paid ads on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook is easy. These platforms gives you step-by-step instructions on making your paid ad go live. Get started with blogging. Add a blog page to your website and post regular content that is relevant to your audience. It can be anything like latest information, trend, news in your niche, tutorials, informative guides, maybe DIY videos, etc. This way you get to build a channel where you can communicate directly with your audience. Do you have the email addresses of your existing customers? You can share relevant content with them, links to your latest blog post using an email marketing list, Do a Google search of the product you sell. For instance, if you run a cafe shop in Gurgaon, Google the keywords cafe shops in Gurgaon and you see where your website ranks. If the rank is in the top few listings, then good for you. If not, you have to get to work on your SEO. Learning digital marketing is like learning how to swim. You can read hundreds of books, watch hours of YouTube videos on how to swim, but you need to get in the water and try staying afloat, moving your hands and legs before you can become a swimmer. The same goes for digital marketing. You must practice it before you can become an expert. Start from somewhere, and as I mentioned above, there is no right and wrong. It's all part of the learning experience. The best digital marketers in the industry are those who are quick to adapt, first to implement, and committed to learning from their mistakes. Stay flexible and stay hungry, and above all, get started.